Hi guys, it's Unders, and today's going to be a super short video just to bring loads of free value to you guys who aren't aware of it. So essentially what we have is I'm able to give you 10 free beats. I don't know if any of you guys have heard the Warrior Sound Beat Tape Volume 1 that got released this year, which has got 10 beats on it. It's available on Spotify, Apple Music for streaming. I've given some of those beats away as well as some other exclusives. If you go to warriorsoundbeats.com, you'll be greeted with this page here, and you can actually download for free all 10 beats here, and you can use them for anything you want. There is a licensing agreement which is $25. The licensing agreement is only if you intend to go and make money with releasing your music over these beats. If you just want to use them for demo purposes, YouTube videos, things like that, download them, go ahead. You can absolutely use those. So there's 10 free beats to download from there. And then if we go to warriorsound.co.uk or from the Warrior Sound Beats website, we can use the menus up the top. We have a downloads option now rather than a web store. And in here you can purchase music that I've released, but equally we've got samples as well. And in here I've got 3 free sample packs that you can download as well. I've got the Stained Whiskers sample pack, which is aimed at house and features a lot of the sounds from the Stained Whiskers Live Simply EP. I've got 40 bass house risers to download, and I've got the Soulful Drum and Bass pack, which uses a lot of the sounds and samples that I created for the Lessons Learned album. So you can enjoy those as well. In terms of Logic projects, it's got a price on it right now, but the Cold Night Logic project, which is a beat made entirely inside Logic, that's going to be open for the next week as a free download before it goes back to being a paid download. So make use of that and grab that as well. And if you've been going through the Logic Pro series here on YouTube, there are some Logic files here for episode 30 where it's just got some breakdown information on it. And if you want stems and things for any of the beats, you can download those at a cost just here as well. On top of that, I've also launched a clothing line recently. So we've got a clothing line aimed at beat makers. So if you're interested in supporting me at all, or just throwing back some value, or you just like some of the t-shirts that are on there, if we hit clothing up the top here, you can in fact get onto the Warrior Sound Gear website, and we have the For the Beat Makers range here with a load of clothing designed by myself aimed at music producers. So thank you very much for the support, guys. Enjoy the free downloads, enjoy the sample kits, enjoy the beats, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.